Okay, so you're ready to monetize payments? Great. Becoming a payment facilitator is complex, and it's not the only path to embedded payments. Let's see what's possible with Payrix. First, you'll need a seamless way to get your customers signed up to accept payments. You can use pre-built sign-up forms for speed to market, or you can work directly with a payments expert to customize onboarding for your merchants. Plus, leverage our API to fully customize and white label your onboarding process. Yep. Next up, fees, billing, and funding. Payrix gives you surgical control over how you build your pricing strategy. Configure fees with rules for when and how your merchants are charged, and schedule when they get paid out. Apply your rules to the whole portfolio, to custom groups, or even to individual merchants and transactions. Glad you asked. Payrix has you covered with complete portfolio management. Fully track and service your entire merchant portfolio in real time, all from a single view. Get insights into your portfolio and your merchants with robust reporting tools. Use webhooks to trigger notifications and keep users in the loop. And empower your customers with real-time dashboards and reports of their own using Payrix's fully configurable merchant portal. It's all built API first, so you can improve and customize your integration as you go. There's plenty more to dig into, but with these features in place, you're ready to enable and monetize payments. Card present, card not present, or e-check. You'll stay out of PCI scope, and your customers will be ready to accept payments of all shapes and sizes. So, you ready to dive in?